Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have studied the definition and use of the each type of the expression. Now we are going to see the examples of that each type of the expression. So first one is arithmetic expression. You can see here. This is the arithmetic expression. Here we define a bill amount. Define bill amount is equal to 1200. Then a tax rate. We have defined tax rate is equal to 0.18. Now we calculate the total. Here we have calculating the total. Define total bill. Here bill amount plus bill amount plus bill amount multiply tax rate. So step 1, 1200 into 0.18, which is 216. Then step 2, then step 2, 100 1200 plus 216 equals to 1416. Here I have provided this explanation also. This bill amount is 1200, then bill amount into 0.118. So total is 1416. That's our total bill. We use this plus sign for addition and multiply for multiplication to calculate total with the tax. So output is a total bill 1416. Then second example is for relational expression. Here in the relational expression, expect day is equal to 5 and actual day is equal to 7. We check actual days is greater than expected days. Actual days is greater than here. Actual days is greater than expected day. So expression is 7 greater than 5, means 7 is greater than 5. So our output is delivery late true here, because 7 is greater than 5. Then third one is logical expression. Here has access card. Here has access card is true and is manager is false. We check has access card double and is manager, means if both is true, means has access card is true and has is manager also true, then it will return true, but is manager is false, so it's given false. Here you can see. Now if I put true here, you can see the difference. Here we received output as true. Then fourth one is bitwise expression. Here read permission is equal to 4 and which is binary 100, and write permission is 2 which is binary 010. So we combine read permission divide by write permission. So expression is 1000 or 0110 equals 10 is 6 decimal. So we used to combine expression as combined permission is 6. Then assignment expression. Here in the assignment expression, stock starts at 15 and stock subtract assign 5, means 50 minus 5 is equal to 55. So our output is 45. Our output is 45. Then sixth one is conditional expression. Conditional expression, order amount is 600 and shipping cost is order amount greater than is equal to 500. So condition is 600 is greater than or equal to 500. So it's true. So the shipping is 0, and we use this condition expression here for a quick decision in one line. So output shipping cost is equal to 0. Then seventh one is Elvis expression. Here in the Elvis expression, username is null. Here we check username guest user. Since username is null, we choose guest user. So we use this sign, this sign to avoid null values. So output is login as guest. So output is login as guest. Then set navigation expression. We have a customer class with an email, but the customer object is null. So we check customer question mark dot email. Since cust is null, it safely return null. So we use this to prevent null pointer error. And output is customer email. Here, customer email is null. And in ninth example, product list is equal to laptop, table, and phone. Then we apply product multiply to uppercase. Each product is converted to uppercase. So result is laptop, table, phone. We used to apply operations on collection. So output is product and uppercase is laptop, table, and phone. And last one is spaceship expression. So price 1 is equal to 1200 and price 2 is equal to 1500. We compare here price 1 spaceship, price 2. So expression 1200 compared to 1500. So result is -1. We use spaceship for sorting and avoiding. So output is equal to price 1 spaceship, price 2 is equal to -1 here. So we covered here different type of expressions in Groovy. If you want this helpful, then yeah, then yeah, like this series. Thank you and stay tuned for the next videos.